Hey guys, welcome back to the Smiths World TV. Today we're going to do something nice on the menu, and that will be some jerk chicken already seasoned up with some festival and some fried breadfruit, roast and fried breadfruit, guys. Right? And we're gonna make a little sauce. You know, we're gonna need something to eat with the festival and the breadfruit. Yeah, so we're gonna use the ketchup and the barbecue sauce to make a little sauce. Alright guys, yeah man, so we out here, me and the family. Ricky's here, Bella, Brittany behind the camera, Gabby soon come, and we have a little guest there.
Nana.
Yes,
Come on, Nana, come say hello to me. Just say hi.
Your friend, say
She's
hi.
shy. She always want to be on the. She always watching out the channel with her papa, her grandfather. That's Bobo, the Rasta. Yeah, so she always want to be on the channel. Anyways, it's a beautiful Sunday evening. We're grateful for life. Yeah, church was great today. Yeah, man, can't do without that. Can't go without that, people. So let's enjoy some family time as usual.
Alright.
Stay.
Yeah, so stick and stay, guys. So we'll catch up the fire and thing, as you can see over there. Catch up the fire for jerk our chicken in the famous bamboo oven over there. Alright?
That is it.
So Daddy Ricky is sketching up the fire. So we're gonna roast jerk. Some chicken. Alright people? So stick and stay to the Smiths World people. Please subscribe to our channel. Share it up with a friend or family.
On the notification.
And turn on, right.
As soon as we put out a content, guys, you are notified. If you don't do so, there's a possibility you have to search for the content, right? So that's how you support the family, and that's how we keep going. Alright, football season. Comment which side on our bring. Which side is your favorite?
Brazil!
You know, Brazil for
Brazil all the way!
Yeah, but I feel like Argentina gonna do well enough. Alright, let me not say, let's see. Express service out here, people. That is it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm finished slicing out the breadfruit them to the size that we want. So we're gonna salt them and then we're gonna fry it too. Alright guys, yeah. Alright guys, so we'll get the chicken. Down below people. Guys, it smells good already. It smells so good. Alright, so we'll see you back, guys. Smells good. I'm going to go for something else and put in this. So guys, what I'm going to do this time around is to, I'm going to take the chicken from out the jerk pan, dip it into this, then put it back in the jerk pan. Alright people, so stay tuned. Guys, comment in the comment section which part of the chicken you would like.
And are you frightened? Oh, man. Oh.
Nah, do not, baby.
Nah, do you not?
Where are you getting that bad drone from?
He's sick. He doesn't go and feel like.
Boy. Guys, we're telling them it smells so good. When I eat it right now.
By itself. You see it now?
The drone is sick.
It's crazy. Alright, let me see.
I'm afraid of it too.
No, wrong hand. No, because it's crazy.
Yes! Seriously, don't forget me.
You never know what's going on up there here.
Hey guys, it's me again. You know, I'm here to make the festival to go with a jerk chicken. And this is a mix that we always use. I think this one is really good. It's Elsher inspired. So I'm gonna get this open and then start mix it up. Stick and stay. Alright guys, you know the drill. You don't throw out all of the mix. Leave back some in case it spoils. Let me see. Alright guys, so that's it. I have just a little bit left back in the bag. And again, remember, you just need water, okay? Nothing else. Yes, God. You just want to knead it until it comes together, guys. You don't want it to be too tough like you're making dumpling. This is festival. See, you see, it didn't spoil. Could I use all of it?
So why not put it in the rest?
Because usually after it rests, you feel it gets sticky again. So I'm just going to leave back a little tiny bit. To probably flour my hands and so on. There we go, guys. So I'm gonna let this rest until we're ready to fry it. There we go.
Get some. Watch these fireworks.
Let's do it, John. Here, John, keep doing it.
Fireworks, people. Yes, that's spray, baby. Yeah, this beer.
Yes, and she a lick clicky.
Alright, guys, so I'm going to turn all of them and give it a next spray.
Feel it, you know, man. No, not long neck score from the team, man.
Ooh, long neck.
That long neck, golly.
Alan.
From what you hear, man, say, yo, him sick.
Alright, make that double down, guys. Double down to the finish.
Take off, give me a brace on you.
Alright. ketchup. Alright, that's it.
What you making?
Making a little sauce, kind of dry chicken and festive breadfruit. So we'll put this in the pot and make it boil up.
You see, Gabby can't return. You mash up Gabby. But you gotta take off that shirt then.
Never watch you mash them now. Because you wanna know. I said me now watch a match until anything happen to Brazil. Because you wanna know, me can't bother with the heart failure. I take it personal, guys.
Alright, sauce finished now. You say pot lean.
Alright guys, it's the festival time. Ugh, I need a fart at the same time. That's it, don't burn.
Okay. Guys, the side gone home, but it should have been expected. I had expected it. Sad, but you know, life goes on. Want them for well soaked, guys, so we don't want the fire too much underneath the pot. I'm spinning them. Don't put one. There we go. Poor Brazil. Poor Brazil. Alright guys, so one batch is finished. I'm gonna add the other one now. Hope it doesn't burn. Have to hurry up. Let's see. Checking guys, festival finished. We're just gonna sit in here so as to keep warm. I can find a space. Yeah, that is it.
What's fried breadfruit without salt?
Yeah, have to put in the salt,
Would be a
guys.
bit too bland for my
Right.
liking.
Fresh.
Bring it back up now, see the kiss. So,
It looks like pork.
yeah, it looks like pork.
Goatland? Plainland? Goatland?
This is the plain one. So them fly are sick. You know them brain, you know. It's like pork.
Jerk chicken, fried breadfruit, and the festival, guys. That is it.
Invaders.
Everywhere we go.
Jerk chicken festival, fried breadfruit, and a beautiful Sunday evening.
Oh my god.
Scrumptious. Scrumptious.
Tastes real good.
Chicken well done too.
Can't complain. That is it, Pete. Good food.
Nice, finger looking good. Alright guys, yeah, we want to eat. So this is the end of this video. So please remember, subscribe to the channel, share it up with a friend or family, comment in the comment section. Keep the comment section active, guys. Yeah. Nice.